White Forsythia, scientifically known as Obeliophyllum disticum, is a stunning flowering shrub that brightens up gardens with its delicate white blooms in early spring. Often overshadowed by its more popular yellow-flowered relative, the white forsythia deserves attention for its unique beauty and easy-to-grow nature. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the steps involved in successfully growing and caring for white forsythia, ensuring a flourishing display of its elegant white flowers. Soil preparation. White forsythia prefers fertile, loamy soil with a slightly acidic to neutral pH level. Before planting, enrich the soil by adding organic matter, such as compost or well-rotted manure, to improve its fertility and drainage. This step ensures optimal growing conditions for the shrub. Planting white forsythia. Spring or fall is the ideal time to plant white forsythia. Dig a hole that is slightly wider and deeper than the root ball of the plant. Place the shrub in the hole, ensuring the top of the root ball is level with the soil surface. Backfill the hole with soil, gently firming it around the roots. Water thoroughly after planting to settle the soil. Watering and moisture. White forsythia requires regular watering during its establishment period. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged, particularly during dry spells. Once established, the shrub is moderately drought tolerant but will benefit from occasional deep watering during prolonged dry periods. Pruning and maintenance. White forsythia is a low-maintenance shrub. Prune immediately after flowering to shape the plant and remove any dead or damaged branches. Avoid heavy pruning, as it can reduce the following year's blooms. Regularly remove weeds around the base of the shrub to minimize competition for nutrients and water. Fertilization. White forsythia generally thrives without excessive fertilization. However, you can apply a balanced slow-release fertilizer in early spring to promote healthy growth and enhance flower production. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for application rates. Winter care. White forsythia is hardy and can tolerate cold temperatures. However, in regions with severe winters, consider applying a layer of mulch around the base of the shrub in late fall to provide insulation and protect the roots from extreme cold. White forsythia is a delightful addition to any garden, boasting its beautiful white blooms and easy cultivation. By following these guidelines on selecting the right location, soil preparation, planting, watering, pruning, fertilization, and winter care, you can enjoy the elegance of white forsythia in your garden for years to come. Watch as your landscape is transformed with the enchanting beauty of this underappreciated flowering shrub.